Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago. It has been practiced for centuries and has become increasingly popular in recent years. But why should you try yoga? What are the benefits of this ancient practice? In this video, we will explore 8 health benefits of yoga that are backed by scientific evidence. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving flexibility and balance, yoga has something to offer everyone. So grab your mat and get ready to discover the transformative power of yoga. 1. Stress and anxiety reduction. Stress and anxiety are two of the most common mental health challenges today. They can have a negative impact on our physical and emotional well-being. Luckily, yoga has been shown to be effective in reducing stress and anxiety levels. A study published in the International Journal of Yoga found that participants who practiced yoga for 3 months had significantly lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, than those who did not practice yoga. Another study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that yoga was effective in reducing anxiety symptoms in people with generalized anxiety disorder. The reason yoga is so effective in reducing stress and anxiety is that it combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. These 3 components work together to calm the mind and body, which can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety levels. Number 2. Improved flexibility. Flexibility is an important component of physical fitness that can help improve range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Yoga is a great way to improve flexibility as it involves a variety of poses that stretch and bend the body. A study published in the Journal of Holistic Nursing found that yoga was effective in improving flexibility in postmenopausal women. Another study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that participants who practiced yoga for 12 weeks had significantly improved their flexibility compared to those who did not. The reason yoga is so effective in improving flexibility is that it involves holding poses for extended periods of time. This helps to lengthen the muscles and increase the range of motion in the joints. Additionally, yoga also focuses on stretching the spine, which can help improve overall flexibility. 3. Increased muscle strength. Muscle strength is an important component of physical fitness that can help improve posture, prevent injury, and enhance athletic performance. Yoga is a great way to increase muscle strength as it involves a variety of poses that require the body to hold weight and balance. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that yoga was effective in improving muscle strength in women. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Biomechanics and Engineering found that yoga was effective in improving lower extremity strength in older adults. The reason yoga is so effective in increasing muscle strength is that it involves holding poses that require the body to engage and strengthen various muscle groups. For example, poses such as downward dog and plank pose engage the arms, shoulders, and back muscles. Number 4. Improved balance. Balance is an important component of physical fitness that can help reduce the risk of falls and injuries. Yoga is a great way to improve balance as it involves a variety of poses that require the body to maintain stability and control. A study published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that yoga was effective in improving balance in older adults. Another study published in the Journal of Clinical Rehabilitation and Aging found that participants who practiced yoga for 12 weeks had significantly improved their balance compared to those who did not. The reason yoga is so effective in improving balance is that it involves a combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. These 3 components work together to calm the mind and body, which can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety levels. Additionally, yoga also focuses on strengthening the core muscles, which are important for maintaining balance. 5. Better sleep. Sleep is an essential component of overall health that can affect our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. A good night's sleep is important for restoring energy, improving focus, and boosting the immune system. Yoga has been shown to improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety levels. A study published in the Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that yoga was effective in improving sleep quality in people with insomnia. Another study published in the Journal of Holistic Nursing found that participants who practiced yoga for 8 weeks had significantly improved their sleep quality compared to those who did not. The reason yoga is so effective in improving sleep quality is that it involves a combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. These 3 components work together to calm the mind and body, which can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety levels. Additionally, yoga also focuses on regulating the nervous system, which is important for controlling sleep-wake cycles. 6. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for overall health and well-being, as obesity can increase the risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Yoga can help with weight management in a few ways. First, yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can contribute to overeating or unhealthy food choices. By reducing stress, yoga can help improve emotional well-being and reduce the likelihood of turning to food for comfort. Second, yoga can help increase muscle strength and improve metabolism, which can lead to increased calorie expenditure even at rest. Third, yoga can help promote mindful eating, which is paying attention to hunger and fullness cues and avoiding distractions while eating. By practicing yoga, individuals can become more attuned to their body's needs and develop a better understanding of their hunger and fullness cues, which can lead to healthier eating habits and weight management. 7. Improved heart health. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but there are steps we can take to improve our heart health and reduce our risk of developing heart disease. Yoga has been shown to improve heart health in several ways. First, yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can contribute to high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so reducing stress and anxiety levels through yoga can help improve heart health. Second, yoga can help improve cardiovascular fitness, which is the ability of the heart and lungs to deliver oxygen to the body during physical activity. Improved cardiovascular fitness can lead to a lower risk of heart disease. Third, yoga can help improve cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, or bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, or good cholesterol. By improving cholesterol levels, yoga can help reduce the buildup of plaque in the arteries, which is a major cause of heart disease. 8. Enhanced immune function. Our immune system is our body's defense against illness and disease, and a strong immune system is essential for good health. Yoga has been shown to enhance immune function in several ways. First, yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can weaken the immune system. By reducing stress, yoga can help boost immune function and make us less susceptible to illness. Second, yoga can help improve sleep quality, which is important for immune function. Poor sleep quality can weaken the immune system, so improving sleep through yoga can help boost immunity. Third, yoga can help improve overall health and well-being, which is important for immune function. By improving our general health, yoga can make our immune system stronger and more effective at fighting off illness and disease. In conclusion, yoga is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years. It is a holistic system that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote overall health and well-being. The benefits of yoga are numerous and backed by scientific evidence. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving flexibility and balance, yoga has something to offer everyone. If you've never tried yoga before, now is the time to give it a try. With so many benefits to reap, you may just find that yoga is the perfect addition to your wellness routine. Thank you for watching, and I invite you to try out yoga and experience its numerous health benefits. Namaste.